What's up, guys? Today, update on the Amazon Guitar Toolkit. Do I still think it's worth it? Yes, I do. Tell you what I got rid of and replaced with some better items from Harbor Freight. Okay, so what did we take out of here? Well, let's start with what we added. I added some Allen wrenches that were not included in the kit. End up polishing the fret protectors and polishing the radius gauges, and then I used the card as a protector over the fret rocker, which I also polished. Moving on to the parts that I replaced. The screwdriver, there was nothing wrong with it other than the tip of the screwdriver didn't fit correctly in the screws, and you're going to round them out. So for $12.99 I bought a set of Pittsburgh, and the other ones are in my shop. This one I kept because it's versatile. It's one screwdriver and it has all these different tips. Now the main ones that I'm using is the PH1 and the PH2. What does that mean? Well, if you look at the tips, you have 0, 1, 2, and they're finer tips, so use the correct tip for the screw so you don't round it out. These also have Allen keys, Torx keys. It has some flat heads, and it fits inside the kit here. I got well, first off, this string cutter was just junk, like I said in my first review. So what I did with that was I took an angle grinder. This is hardened steel, cut it apart, and now I have a string winder. And this is a little pry tool. I highly doubt this is going to hold up since it's plastic, but I replaced it with this, and these cost $3 or $4. They're Pittsburgh. And then in my other video, I'll link that also in the description. Set of feeler gauges, $4.99, and I bought another set because this is my guitar nut cutter for a set of 9s and 10s. And like I said again, I'll link this in the description. You can make one, very useful. So for another $35 on top of the $21.59, I think it's a good deal. And the other thing I replaced was the roll. This is a machinist roll that I had laying around. I'll link that in the description. It's a good roll for, I think it's $9.99. So you definitely want a good roll, and this is a stainless one, and the one on Amazon is stainless also. But everything fits in the kit, so for about a little over $50, you're getting some decent stuff, and everything fits all in one kit. And there you can see, it wraps up, closes up, whatever you want to call it.